I'm from the Canary Islands and I'm still at high school. A few years ago my sister came here and she joined this school, so she recommended me to come here. I think that what I like most is the environment, but also it's created by, I think, by the staff and teachers, so I think that's what I like most. I don't really know, I think that it's like a very international language, so if you are able to talk English, you'll probably be able to communicate in many different countries. I would recommend you to join this school because it's not that big, so you can know a lot of people like in a close circle, and because the way you're gonna learn is really good. I like it.